Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Code with Golden Cat. Starting today, we are diving into a brand new full course on Vue. But before we jump in, let's take a moment to understand what exactly is Vue. Vue is a framework or tool that helps you build websites and web pages more easily. It's like a set of building blocks for making the parts of a website that people see and interact with, such as buttons, forms, and menus, more dynamic and interactive. Now, the next question that you will be asking is why Vue and not React or Angular? So, the main reason for starting with Vue is its easiest learning curve. Out of the three mentioned here, Vue is easiest to learn and provides a great starting point for front-end development journey. Once you get a good understanding of how things work in Vue, React and Angular becomes easier to understand. That being said, we'll also be creating full free courses of React and Angular as well in near future. So stay tuned. Before starting this course, it's helpful to have a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You don't need to be an expert, just some familiarity will make it easier to follow along. That said, if you're completely new to these technologies, don't worry. I'll guide you through everything step by step as we go. One more thing that I want to point out before we end this video are the tools that we need for this course. So the first tool that we will require is downloading Node.js. So you can simply go to Node.js website and download the Windows installer. And then we'll also need an IDE for coding. So I would suggest using VS Code because it is free and open source and it provides a really clean way of writing code. You can simply go to Visual Studio's site and download the VS Code directly for Windows or Mac or any other operating system that you use. Now, I'll not go into details on how to install these applications because they are pretty straightforward to install. You can simply keep clicking on next until it's fully installed. As always, we'll end this video with a quote that says, "Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can." Thank you for watching and have a great day.